Are you interested in being part of the worship team here at Excel Church? Well, if you are, we've got church band auditions taking place on the 14th of October at 4 p.m. There's also going to be a vocal workshop running at the same time, so if you want to get involved in singing in the band, then that's going to be running for you. If you want any more details, please speak to Dan about our church band auditions on the 14th of October. You can now get your very own Excel t-shirt. They're available in various different sizes, including children's sizes, different colours and designs as well. If you would like one, then you need to pick up a pre-order form from the welcome desk, fill it in and hand it in with your money to order your t-shirt. Here's a date for your festive diary. Friday the 7th of December, we have Salt Mine Theatre Company coming to join us, and they will be putting on a show of Sleeping Beauty. That is going to be starting at 6:30 p.m. and you can get your tickets today. You can get them from the website or via exchange. So that's Friday the 7th of December. Please come and join us for Sleeping Beauty.
Sleeping Beauty is a magical retelling of the classic fairy tale. We start with fairy dust and fairy lights, tasked with keeping Princess Aurora safe until her 18th birthday. They do so well right up until the hour before her birthday ball, where she pricks her finger on a spinning wheel and falls into an enchanted sleep. The message of Sleeping Beauty is all about the idea that our words matter. While we look at the impact of negative words on different characters in the play, what we really want to underline is the healing, redemptive power that kind words can have when they're spoken over us this Christmas. All we are missing is you. We would love you to join us for this year's Christmas show of Sleeping Beauty. Bring your friends, bring family, come along expecting to laugh, cry and be impacted by a message that is for all of us this Christmas.
We're just a few weeks away from our third Devoted conference, so ladies, if you haven't got your tickets yet, why not? You need to pick them up today. They're going to cost you £20 and that includes a whole day of teaching and your lunch and refreshments as well. Buy one for a friend or a family member as well, why not? You can get them today before or after the service, and you can get them via our website or on exchange as well. That's everything for Excel News. We hope you have a great day and a great week as well. See you next Sunday.